You ever just get absolutely Throck rocketed at the casino and it's 2:34 in the morning and you're starving and the only thing that's opening is a bakery? Me neither, dude.
We have got some options, my little kittens. Just take a look at all these flavors. We're gonna get our first look at the Reese's Gourmet Cookie.
Starting with the Reese's Feces. This bad boy, oh, it's chilly. It's a cold boy. Alright. Now, allegedly, this is the best one in the building. This is the Oreo Daddy. Oh, yeah. Smooth, decadent, robust, obscure, sexy.